Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my new hat, and I've been needing one because it's about to get sunny out here, so I wanted to show you guys. It comes wrapped up here, and this is what it comes with. It's got a nice little signature on the side, and then the hat that says Freedom, and it has a gear on it. So I'm excited for this. It comes with the padding inside to keep it all straight when it ships to you. The inside is like this nice kind of nylon, and so it feels a little athletic-y. It's kind of nice. And then for opening and closing, you use that to adjust how tight the hat is, and then from there, you just feed it through inside that little hole right there. There we go. And then you just pull it through there. So I'm gonna need to adjust this hat a little bit because I don't know exactly how. Ooh, this is cool. So when you push it through there, it stays in the back there so that it doesn't like pop out for your head and annoy it. But I don't know. Let's see. That's a little loose. Let's move this up a little. And so this is definitely like one size fits all. There we go. So sweet. It looks good. I mean, it's a nice hat. It's sturdy too. Once I kind of made it tighter, it feels really nice. And this is a nice looking hat. I mean, this looks good and it's kind of professional, so I kind of like it, and I'll give it a thumbs up.